Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting prerequisites in place. You need a compatible Windows machine and admin rights. Once you have admin access, download SQL Server Developer and SSMS. Install Developer first, choose Default Instance for simplicity and enable Database Engine services. During setup, pick Mixed Mode and set a strong SA password so you can access the server later. Make sure to note the instance name. You will connect to it from SSMS after install completes, and the services are running. Now you configure and connect. Open SSMS and connect to your instance using Windows Authentication. If that fails, switch to SQL Authentication and use SA. Once connected, create a new database. Right-click Databases, New Database, accept defaults, click OK. Next, configure server roles, expand security, add your Windows user to the sysadmin role so you have full rights. Once done, test by running a basic query like select getDate to confirm successful communication and permissions. Finish by using common workflows. Create tables, import data, and run queries in SSMS. Make sure to set automatic backups or export. Back files. Backups prevent data loss. If you need remote connections, enable TCP/IP in SQL Server Configuration Manager and restart the service. If something goes wrong, first restart the SQL Server service, then inspect the SQL error log and Windows Event Viewer for clear messages. If authentication errors appear, verify SA password.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.